So hello everyone. Now we are going to code for class in practical way. So without delay, let's start. First we have to define a class. To define it, we are using class keyword. Then we have to give name to our class. In my case, I am giving it as a my school. Okay. Double commas that will tell interpreter that my nomenclature of class is ended. Here one more thing we have to remember. The name of the class of the class, the first letter of the name, it should be in capital. Okay, now we have to define here one built-in function, that is init, which is always executed whenever class is called, and this take and this will helpful to assign values. Okay, this built-in function takes one default parameter, that is self, and two more parameter I am giving, that is name and age. Okay, here name and age are user based parameter, means user are defining those. Okay, now we are interested to link our self parameter. Now we are interested to link our name and age parameter with our local variable, that is local variable. I will give name to our local variable as a name only, name, which is equals to parameter name. Now again link this self dot name. Okay, not name, here age, which is equals to age. Okay, now let's assign some values here on the place of name and age. To assign values, we have to take one variable, then take our class name, that is Mike's class, Mike's school, actually it is school, and whatever value you want to send. I will send Yasin dot, and age is 20. Okay, let's try to print those values. To print those values, I will use print function, and here I am taking p1 dot name and control S to save this function. And now let's run this. As you can see, we have successfully got a value, that is which I have sent. Okay, in further class, in next class, we are going to learn inheritance of the classes. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.